In a small village nestled between the mountains, there lived a young skate named Slippery. Slippery was known for his smooth glide on the still lake, but he had never dared to venture out onto the open sea. One day, a gusty wind blew through the village, stirring up the lake. Slippery, feeling the excitement, decided to take a chance and skated out towards the sea. As he glided further, the wind grew stronger, pushing him faster and faster. Slippery enjoyed the thrill, but soon, he found himself far from the safety of the lake. A great wave approached, and Slippery, panicking, tried to turn back. But the strong wind pushed him straight into the wave's path. The wave crashed over Slippery, sending him tumbling through the water. He was swept away, losing sight of the village and the safety it provided. For days, Slippery was tossed about by the wind and the waves. He was cold, hungry, and scared. But deep down, he knew he had taken a risk and must face the consequences. One day, a kind whale found him and brought him back to the village. Slippery was weak and battered, but alive. He vowed never to take such a risk again. From that day forward, Slippery learned the importance of knowing one's limits. He realized that while adventure can be exciting, it's better to stay within your comfort zone and avoid unnecessary risks. And so, the skate and the wind became a reminder to all in the village that while life can be full of excitement, it's important to be wise and cautious, especially when venturing into uncharted waters.